edition of Social Study chapter for class 3. The chapter we will discuss today is the 14th chapter. It is all about Calcutta and the city of sweets. So, this in Calcutta, in this chapter we will learn about Calcutta and its culture, its different type of culture, their festivals, what are the important things we find in Calcutta, we all will learn in this very chapter. So let's start. We will know about the facts and things about the Kolkata. So Kolkata is a city of Kolkata, you can say this is a city which is made as a British capital, Calcutta, but now Calcutta is the capital of West Bengal. The famous thing about Calcutta is Hooghly River. It is situated near the Hooghly River, which is connected to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so the Calcutta, the climate of Calcutta is tropical. Climate of Calcutta is tropical type climate. It means neither very cold in the winter nor very hot in the summer. It receives the rainfall also. So, the climate condition of Kolkata is tropical. Next is there are very setu and so many bridges are there in Kolkata which are very famous. You can say the landmark for Kolkata. These are Howrah Bridge, Vidyasagar Setu. These are very famous spot to be visited in Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is known as Calcutta in the British. This Calcutta was a name given by the British. Calcutta is a name given to the Kolkata by the British. Calcutta is only the city. Calcutta in the West Bengal is only the city in which trams are nowadays also working. Nowadays when you will visit Kolkata, you will find trams. This is a railway. This is a railway which you can see it is on road. Okay. So Calcutta is very famous for its food. You can find so very variants of food. It's very cheap also. In Calcutta, fooding are very cheap. The famous is Moisti Doi, Rasgulla, Machar Jhol, Sondes. These are the famous food items in Kolkata. Kolkata, the famous festival which is celebrated in Kolkata is the Durga Puja. Durga Puja is very nicely celebrated. It is celebrated on a very huge scale. All the peoples come together. They used to dress like a traditional sari, Bengali sari, white and red in color. They used to celebrate it in a very jolly mood. They used to give the shandesh to each other. They used to have the authentic food during the Durga Puja. They used to serve. They used to make the idol of goddess Durga. Then they used to celebrate it with a great joy. Bengali is the language used in Calcutta. Bengali is the official language that is used very fluently in Kolkata. Okay. Now we will learn about some more important facts of Calcutta. Calcutta has an international airport nearby our locality. We don't have any other international airport other than Kolkata. So that is situated in Dum. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Okay, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, international airport, and it is situated in Dum. Next is industry. In Kolkata, we can find cotton industries, woolen industries, jute industries, paper industry, and leather industries. There are so many different type of also industries are found in Kolkata. Railway station. There are 4 main railway stations you can say, but 2 are the Howrah and Sialdah are the 2 main railway stations. Adding to this, Shalimar and Kolkata are also nowadays added, which are just taking care of rail route from the far distance and the lower distance. Okay. Next is Kolkata. Kolkata is only the state which have introduced the first metro. The first metro was introduced in Kolkata. It was an underground metro. Nowadays we are having metro in Delhi as well. Delhi is the second place to introduce metro, but Calcutta was the first, and it has the underground metro nowadays also. Main festivity, Calcutta is a tourist destination. You can go, you can visit, you can explore Calcutta whenever you want. Okay, so Calcutta is a very beautiful place. You can see Victoria Memorial, you can see Bilra Planetarium, you can see Eden Garden. So many gardens are there, so many beautiful palaces are there. So Calcutta is very beautiful and you can go and explore the Calcutta. Main festivals are Durga Puja, Eid, Holi, Diwali. These are the common festivals. Durga Puja is the most important festival. They also celebrate Rabindra Jayanti. They also celebrate Paila, Baishakh, like first New Year or Bengali New Year. They also celebrate. Kolkata Book Fair, Doverland Fair, music festivals are some type of local festivals they used to celebrate. Lots of freedom fighters and writers are organized seen place is Kolkata. So many writers, so many Toru Dutt, you can say Rabindranath Tagore. These are the writers where they are the origin from Calcutta. Okay, Kolkata is a cultural capital of India. What you can say? Kolkata is a cultural capital of India. So hopefully you understand this. Just do visit Kolkata and know more about it. Bye bye till then. Take care.